video, I'm going to show you the simplest method for downloading Loom videos using a Chrome extension or browser extension. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and just type SERP apps Loom downloader, and you're going to look for this one that says GitHub and click it, and that'll take you to the GitHub for SERP apps Loom video downloader. Alternatively, if you want, you can just type github.com/SERP apps. And if you go to the repositories section, there's a search bar where you can type in Loom and find the page, but it'll take you to the same place. So when you're on this page, on the right side, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see something that says releases. Click that, and you'll see the latest release here. And if you scroll down a little bit, here are the different downloads. So I'm using Chrome, so I'll just click on this one that says Chrome in it, and that will download a zip file to my computer. So I'm just going to go to where it downloads. For me, it's on the desktop. For you, it might be a downloads folder. And I'm just going to double click it to unzip that zip file. And this folder here is going to be the thing that we install that allows us to download the videos. So once you have that, just click to open a new tab in Chrome and type Chrome://extensions and click enter. And when you do that, you're going to want to look at the top right area of this. For you, it's probably going to say developer mode and be off or gray. You want to turn it on so it's blue. And then once it's on the left side here, you're going to see this button that says load unpacked, and that will let you load the extension. So you'll just click that and you'll go to your wherever that thing unzipped, right? So mine is here. I'll click this and I'll click select. So now you can see I have the extension loaded here. And if I go up to this puzzle piece here on Chrome and I find the downloader, I can click the pin icon and that'll put it in my toolbar or my extension bar, just like other extensions. So now you're basically ready to get going. All you have to do is when you open this, just enter your email and put the verification code in here. It's free to do. You just have to go grab the verification code. And once you do that, it will be ready. So I'll just quickly put in my email and go grab the verification code. Okay, once it's verified, you'll see that it says navigate to a page with a Loom video to begin. So if I just go to a page that has a Loom video on it and I refresh, what I'll notice is I see this download button up here on the top right. And I can also click this extension and see the video here. So I can click this download video button and you'll see the video start to download with progress indicator, or I could have just clicked that button here on the top right as well. But once it's done downloading, it will download automatically to wherever your browser is set to save things. So remember, for me, it was the desktop. For you, it might be a downloads folder, but just go check that situation out. And once it's done downloading, it'll be there for you to watch offline.